I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week we're making it a little bit more edgy and we are getting inspired by grunge. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today we are doing a grunge kind of a makeup look, and it's very simple because it's very messy. And I want to say the messier you are, the better, but there is always a limit, so be messy but don't be too messy. It's a strategic kind of a mess, basically. And so today I am going to be using two colors to achieve this makeup look. And what you want to go for is, because with grunge you want to go with something that is darker, and so I want to go with one color that is kind of like all over my lid, blended it out, diffused it, but not, it's diffused to my crease, so I would try and not bring it all the way to my crease and then diffuse it from there. And I'm going to bring it underneath my eye, and then afterwards I'm going in with a darker color to go kind of around my eyes and then diffuse it out even more so that it is a smoked out blended look, but it's grunge. And for those of you who are wondering, this lipstick, I didn't line my lips because I don't have a matching lip liner. It's just pure lipstick, but I'm using the one from Kiko Milano in the shade 914 or 914, and it looks like this. This is the shade. First, I want to go in with a flat brush to kind of get my lid, and I'm going to be using the makeup palette Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I am using Mars, this one right here. Now what you want to do is take a round brush like this one, and you want to go ahead and use this same eyeshadow palette, but I'm going in with Retrograde, this one right here. And you just want to bring this close to your lash line but around your eye. Now you want to take your blender brush, and I'm using the one from Essence, and you just want to be blending this. Then you want to go ahead and pop on some mascara. So first I want to be curling my lashes. And then I'm going to be putting on my Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I'm putting it on my upper and lower lashes because it is a more dramatic look. Before we say we're finished with the eyes, I want to put on some eyeliner on my waterline. So I'm using a eyeliner pencil that looks like this and just going on my waterline. So to finish this makeup look off, I will be putting on some highlighter, and I'm using a big fluffy brush, and I'm using Makeup Revolution's Take a Breather, and I am using this pink one on the side just because I want to keep with the red tone. Then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush, using the same highlighter, and just going on the key parts of my face. And then I want to finish everything off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is a grunge inspired makeup look, and this is what the finished result is. It's very easy, it's very beginner friendly, and because there is literally nothing you can do wrong, you just need to follow your own eye shape and then smudge out the makeup. It's one of those makeup looks that is very hard to get wrong, but it is possible, but it's very hard. So definitely beginner friendly and definitely smudgy and edgy, and this is definitely perfect for going out, going to parties, or if you are that kind of a person that is just edgy on an everyday basis, this can be your everyday makeup if that is what you're into. So if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, 2 o'clock New York time. The times have changed, but the video stays the same. And so thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!